guys, Alex Underwood here, and welcome back to my channel, my aliens. Today I have this Smokey glitter cut crease for you. It's red glitter, so it's even better than any other because red glitter is amazing. But if you want to see how I do this look, go ahead and stay tuned. To start off today, I'm going to prime my eyes using my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to prime the rest of my face using my Smashbox pore minimizing primer. I'm going to be sure to get this in my pores so it covers them, since it's a pore minimizing primer. So I want to make sure I get them in the pores all over, just so my face looks nice and smooth. Of course, continuing that down my neck because I want everything to be a nice smooth canvas. Next, I'm going in with my foundation. I'm taking the Maybeline Fit Me foundation in shade 102, and I'm mixing it with Kat Von D in shade medium 58 neutral. And mixing these together is going to help it match my skin a little bit better because one of my shades was too dark and the other one was too light, and well, we're trying to match here. Alright, so I'm just going to start out on putting this on my forehead because I'm going to be doing my forehead first, including my eyebrows, and then I will continue the rest of my face off camera, but of course I use the exact same technique with my forehead as I do with the rest of my face, just bouncing the wet beauty blender all over, beating it into the skin, making sure it's good to stay all night long. Alright, as you can see, I went and did my brows off camera. If you need a video for that, I have one on my channel, but I'm going to go ahead and put some white eyeshadow all over my lids to set the foundation and the primer we put down. Next, I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette with shade Milk Chocolate and blend that all over my crease because this is going to be my transition shade. Next, I'm going to start darkening up the crease, so I'm going to go in with shade Cyprus Umber from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to start creating kind of a round eye. I'm going for more of a round eye than more of a cat eye, so I'm going to start creating this here when I'm doing the crease and darkening it up. I'm using a pencil brush to do this, and I'm blending while I'm putting the shadow down so it can help blend in with the transition shade we already have on the lid. And then of course going back in with a blending brush and making sure everything is seamless. You're going to go back and forth with the light brown and the dark brown until your crease is as dark but still blended out as you want it to be. I wanted mine very, very dark since I'm going for a cut crease today. I wanted the starkness against the glitter I'm going to use to be very, very prominent. Of course, if it ever gets too dark towards your brow bone, you can go back in with that white shade we used in the beginning to help lighten things up again. You don't want to lose that highlight on your brow bone because that's very important. Next, I am taking Blackout from the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm using that to darken my crease even more because it just wasn't dark enough for me. So of course I'm going to go back and forth with the black and the brown until they are mixed together and look all blended and beautiful and smoky. Next, I'm going to start cutting the crease using a concealer brush and my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in shade Fair. And I'm going to be very careful when I do this to go very slow and follow the natural crease of my eye. This is going to After I cut the crease, I went ahead and set it with the same white shade that we've been using for the rest of the eye, and then I'm going to go in and start defining the line a little bit more, making it a little darker in places I need it darker. I'm making sure I keep the darkness as close to the line as possible without getting it on top of the concealer. And for some reason my camera cut out, so it didn't happen to catch on camera what I did to the center of my lid. So I went ahead and packed shade Vietnam Red from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette all over my lid. And then I went ahead and put a line of eyeliner across my lash line before I put on my glitter, so it doesn't chunk up, because it can tend to chunk up if you put on glitter before your eyeliner. So I went ahead and put on my Kat Von D tattoo liner in shade Trooper. I went ahead and packed the Too Faced glitter glue all over my lid and placed the NYX glitter in shade 05 on top. Next, I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line using shades Milk Chocolate and Cyprus Umber with a little bit of Blackout, not too much. Next, I'm going to contour my face using my Ciate Bamboo Bronzer and my Benefit Hoola Bronzer, and of course I'm just going to cut these cheeks and blend them out with an e.l.f. blending brush. Highlighting, my very favorite part, I'm going in with shade White Sand from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm putting that all over the high planes of my face and just packing it on for a punch of color. I really want to blind everyone with this makeup look today. And then of course when I put it on my cheekbones, I blend it out with a fan brush to help create a more natural effect. Of course I went ahead and popped on some eyelashes off camera. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and these are 2 Ardell wispies stacked on top of each other for my lashes today. Next, I'm going to do my lips. This is probably one of my favorite parts of this look today because I haven't done lips like this before. But first, I am taking the Urban Decay Waterproof Eyeliner in shade Demolition, and I am just outlining my lips and blending that out a little bit because I don't want a very harsh line. And then I am taking the Tarte Lip Paint in shade Birthday Suit and putting that on top and making sure they blend together pretty seamlessly. It's kind of a 90s look, but I thought it went really, really well with the stark red glitter of my eyes. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed my video as much as I loved making it for you. I had so much fun creating this makeup look. I think it is so pretty and so fun for just, you know, people who are interested in starting with like glitters and new colors. It's a good way to experiment with that kind of stuff. If you guys want to hang out with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can follow me on Snapchat at Alex_Underwood and on Twitter and Instagram at Alex with 2 X's 2017. Don't forget that second X because you won't be able to find me if you don't. And you guys can also find me on my website, which will always be linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to get notifications for when I upload. I upload every Thursday and Saturday, and I'm sorry if they're a little behind right now. I'm currently moving out of college and dealing with finals, so I have a lot of chaotic stuff going on, but I will do my best to get that stuff pumped out for you, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye, my aliens! Yes, queen!
Slipping now. Look what I'm whipping up. This is America.
Me, when my friend just told me we're not going to the strip club.